Postal inspectors have investigated medical quackery for years. There are all kinds of fake cures and remedies out there. Take the Fat Blocker weight loss program. The pills contain vitamins and a common allergy medicine. They might stop your sniffles, but you won't lose any weight. Nobody lost a pound wearing these mail-order slimming shoe inserts either. Or the Mega 2 Rapid Weight Reduction Program. Only thing mega about this was the size of the book. None of these programs worked, and postal inspectors shut down the companies. But here's my favorite, Smilin' Bob. He was a pitchman for Enzyte, a male enhancement product. The pills promised to, well, what they promised didn't happen. But they sold like crazy. The company made a fortune, but it all ended when postal inspectors arrested the founder and sent him to prison for 25 years, and he had to pay back $500 million. Bob's not smiling anymore.